everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a what I eat in a day because I haven't done one in a few weeks, and they're some of my favorite videos to film because we love to cook, we love to eat, and you guys love to watch us do those things. The first thing I'm consuming today is a coffee, of course. I need fuel for the day because look at the state of me. I look crazy right now. I'm drinking it out of my hot beverage of choice mug. Link down below if you'd like to pick one up for yourself. Ding. We are eating pretty good today. We're having pancakes for breakfast, so I'm about to go and make those. And I want to bake some banana bread. I want to bake some banana bread. We're making vegan mac and cheese tonight, which I'm extremely excited about. This is one of Tim's recipes. And then probably should we make this tuna sweet corn jalapeno salad for lunch?
Yeah.
Good day of food. And then we'll probably have a bottle of wine later because it's Saturday night. So this is a Saturday in quarantine. I'm gonna go make some breakfast. Welcome to my kitchen. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna make us some breakfast. I think we're gonna have a classic in this house, which is banana pancakes. I have actually been trying, this isn't sponsored by the way, I'm working with them on my Instagram, but this is no sponsored. Tim and I have been loving the My Vitamins collagen pancakes. I've been trying really hard. I take the collagen supplements and I also drink their collagen drink. I don't do both on the same day, it just depends how I'm feeling. Because I've been trying to get at least one, sorry about the washing machine if you can hear that. I've been trying to get at least one intake of collagen every single day. It's amazing for your skin, but especially if you have undergone or are undergoing some kind of more extreme weight loss. Obviously loose skin is very much a real thing and it's nothing to be, you know, embarrassed by or ashamed of or anything like that, but I do have loose skin, like I just do. I get asked all the time whether I do, and I do. I'll probably talk about it more in a video. A good amount of loose skin on my stomach, because that's what happens when you lose 50-60 pounds. So yeah, I just have been trying to supplement my diet with some extra collagen to just give my skin some extra elasticity, help it bounce back a little bit, but it will take time. It's not going to be a quick fix at all, but you know, I just want to give it a little bit of extra help where I can. Yeah, we've been having on the weekends collagen pancakes, and then I have like collagen supplements and stuff on like a weekday when I don't have time to make pancakes every morning. So I'm going to use 2 scoops of this and then bung in a banana, some extra oats, some milk and a little bit of protein powder. So I don't just use the mix, I kind of make my own mix, but I use that as like the basis of it. So yeah, I'm gonna make us some banana pancakes. Do you want blueberries in your pancakes? Banana and blueberry pancakes. Let's go.
Your door. I know one thing for sure, I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other, no way in between.
had our breakfast and Tim just went to the shops to get a few ingredients. So I'm gonna make the banana bread now before we have lunch, and then we'll probably have a piece between lunch and dinner, or as dessert later, depends how we're feeling. We only have unripe bananas, so I just saw a trick online that if you put them in the oven for 5 minutes and cook them, they go black on the outside but like squishy and sweet on the inside, like a ripe banana. So I'm gonna pre-cook my bananas before making my banana bread and hope it works. In you go, friends. Have a nice trip. And I'm on my first tea of the day. Okay, so I'm gonna follow a BBC good food recipe, but I'm gonna tweak it a little bit. I will link it down below for you guys. It's they call it the healthy banana bread. 10 slices, 1 slice is 145 calories. So I don't have self-raising flour, so I'm gonna improvise. Anyway, I'll link the recipe down below and you can just watch me make it. Okay, here they are. Hopefully they're nice and squishy. Let's get baking.
This time of the year, I can't stop asking why I'm struggling to stay. It's a mystery why I'm here. I guess I'm just too tired of fighting. Would you say? As we're growing older, darling, understand it all. It's me that I'm fighting now that I see what is.
Okay, that is now in the oven. It's time for us to make lunch. So for lunch, Tim and I have been loving tuna, sweet corn. Oh, I should have put some apple in the banana bread. Yeah, we've been really enjoying tuna and sweet corn salads. But I replaced the mayonnaise with Greek yogurt because it tastes exactly the same, much less fatty alternative. Of course, if you want to use regular mayonnaise, then you do that. And we like to make it spicy as well.
Feelings like this never end. We have to try and keep the mood up to stay. I know that sometimes we pretend to love each other like we used to, but it's all good in the end. 'Cause as we're growing older, darling, love is growing stronger, 'cause it's me that I'm fighting now that I see what is hiding underneath my skin. And I'm always sorry to bring you with.
We have a special guest chef for dinner.
Hello!
When Tim was at uni, they used to do food group where every week everyone had a day and they'd cook for the whole house.
Best system ever.
And it was a very effective system, but they had 2 vegans living in the house, so every dinner had to be vegan.
So you make like a vegan option, so if you do something with chicken, you make half with real chicken, half without. But we never did that because the vegan one's always so nice.
One of Tim's favourite vegan recipes that he made was a butternut squash
Slow cooker
mac and cheese. So that's what we're going to make for dinner, and we're going to make a lot of it. So we'll link the recipe down below if you'd like to make it yourselves, and for now we are going to make it. But you have to prep it really far in advance, so it's 3:30 now and we are going to prep it now so it's ready for about 7 or 8. You ready?
Ready.
Let's go. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's honestly,
look at the size of this.
It's the biggest I've ever seen. They're all massive.
cooked. The inside is like the consistency of bread and butter pudding, and the outside is the consistency of like a loaf of bread. I made so many changes to the recipe, so I'll link the original recipe, which I'm sure works, down below. But we've had our first what I eat in a day fail, guys. Cheers to that. I'm gonna eat it anyway though. This is our slow cooker for the day. It's just a regular pot, but we're gonna leave this for 4 hours. Then we're gonna blend it and add it with the macaroni, and then we're ready to eat. So it's now 4 o'clock and I feel like I've just been cooking all day. So I'm gonna go and do some other things, and then we'll show you the end result. It is actually 2 days after I filmed the What I Eat in a Day. It's actually the day it's going live, and I realised that that was the last clip I had. I didn't tell you how it tasted, nothing. I didn't even end the video because, like I said, we had a bottle of wine which then turned into a bottle of gin. So not my best vlogging there. The vegan mac and cheese, delicious. We managed to make like 10 portions. And I'm just reheating it now, that's why the microwave is going. We are having it for lunch, so I thought I would show you it now. And we actually put in a salmon fillet. We just mashed it in as well, so it's no longer vegan. But it was vegan the first time we had it, and it's delicious. So we're just reheating that now. I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will link the recipes that I used down below. And if you like these videos, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you on Thursday. Bye!